Stop scrolling, because this ancient secret has changed thousands of lives, and it could change yours today. What if I told you that your thoughts are creating your reality right now? Let me tell you a story that could easily be your story. There was a woman named Sarah. She's in her 30s. Life feels heavy. She's stuck in a job she hates, struggling with money, and feeling completely lost. But one night, while scrolling through videos online, she stumbles across something unexpected, a teaching called the Law of Assumption. It's a teaching from Neville Goddard, a man who believed that your assumptions, not your wishes, shape your reality. She didn't chant mantras for hours. She didn't chase success. She sat still, closed her eyes, and in the quiet of her mind, she assumed it was already hers. She imagined waking up in her dream apartment. She felt the confidence of landing the job she'd always wanted. She saw herself in love, deeply, peacefully, joyfully. And slowly, her world began to shift. Within weeks, she received the job offer. The relationship showed up, not because she searched, but because she aligned. Her bank account grew. Her smile returned. Not because she worked harder, but because she believed differently. This is the power of Neville Goddard's Law of Assumption. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and reality reshapes around it. So what is the Law of Assumption? Neville Goddard said, "Whatever you assume to be true, becomes your reality. You don't get what you want, you get what you assume." It's a creative force. When you assume you're already successful, happy, wealthy, your subconscious goes to work to make that real. It's not magic. It's mindset mastery. Here's how you can use the Law of Assumption starting today. Step 1. Define what you want. Be specific: relationship, health, money. Step 2. Enter the wish fulfilled. Imagine it's already yours. Feel it. Live it. Now. Step 3. Stay loyal to that assumption. Ignore what you see in the 3D world, the 4D, your imagination, creates it first. Don't just think about the life you want. Assume it's already yours. Walk, talk, and feel like the version of you who already has it. Thousands have used this. From celebrities to regular people, results are insane. One person assumed $10,000 was already theirs, and a surprise check showed up. Another imagined their specific person, texting them, and boom, hey, you popped up. Coincidence? Or conscious creation? You don't have to beg the universe. You don't have to hope. You just have to assume and persist. Assume. Persist. Receive. This isn't just Neville Goddard's secret. It's your birthright. Want to try it for 7 days and see magic? Comment "I assume it's done" below. Bell subscribe for more manifestation power tools. Thumbs up like this video if you're ready to shift your reality today. Your new life is just one assumption away. So, what are you assuming right now?